At Earthwormade, we know even the healthiest indoor plants sometimes need a little extra care. Earthwormade's vermicompost and Vermitea make it easy to give your potted plants a boost affordably because a little goes a long way. Here's a quick guide on how to rejuvenate your potted plants. Start by gathering a few simple tools: a small fork and spade, a container for mixing, a 500 ml measuring jug, some Earthwormade pot plant soil conditioner, and a bottle of Earthwormade Vermitea. First, loosen and remove a bit of the old dry soil from the pot. Mix it with some of the pot plant soil conditioner to give the soil a fresh, naturally rich base and top up the pot. Now dilute 50 ml of Vermitea in water. Then water the plant with this nutritious mix. That's all it takes to give your plant a fresh start. And here's a fun fact. Despite what you may have heard, natural pot plant products don't have to smell bad to be effective. Earthwormade's Vermi products are completely odor-free. So no worries about your friends asking if a penguin got lost and moved into your home after you've rejuvenated your pot plants. If this Earthwormade guide helped, give it a thumbs up. Have questions or tips to share? Drop a comment below and we'd love to hear from you.